Wanna know how to download the Lensa app on Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your phone and search for Play Store. Open it, and in the search bar up top right here, search for Lensa. And right down here, you can see the Lensa app. Click on it for more info, or just simply click install. And once the installation is done, just simply press open. And there you have it. Your Lensa AI has been successfully downloaded. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.